Winter cycling jackets are essential for maintaining core warmth, protecting against wind and moisture, and preserving mobility in cold, damp conditions. The category spans lightweight, windproof shells to insulated soft shells with fleece interiors, offering a balance of breathability, warmth, and weather resistance. In this review, I test and compare 5 jackets from Przewalski InBike ARSUXEO. Product number 1. Arsuxio Winter Warm-Up Thermal Softshell Cycling Jacket, Windproof, Waterproof. The Arsuxio Winter Warm-Up is a thermal softshell designed to deliver windproof protection with a water-resistant outer shell and a soft inner layer for warmth. Priced at $39.99, it sits squarely in the mid-range of this comparison and emphasizes a balanced softshell approach suitable for dry to misty winter rides. Key features include a windproof exterior, a breathable membrane, and a warm interior conducive to chilly commutes and weekend rides. The jacket is constructed to offer flexibility for dynamic movement, with attention to stretch and fit suitable for layering beneath a shell if needed. Performance-wise, the jacket should perform well in cool, dry to lightly damp conditions, enabling riders to maintain warmth without overheating during steady-state riding. The soft shell fabric typically yields good mobility and a compact silhouette, which helps with layering under a hard shell in harsher weather. In use, expect solid wind protection and reliable warmth for temperatures near freezing, though heavy precipitation or prolonged exposure to rain may require additional waterproof shells. The absence of explicit seam taping details or waterproof rating beyond windproof/water-resistant expectations means it excels in wind resistance but may fall short in heavy rain scenarios. The fit is generally versatile for various torso lengths, and the jacket should pair well with mid-weight base layers. Product number 2. Bikewa Men's Winter Cycling Jacket, Thermal Warm Water-Resistant Bike Running Windproof Jacket. The Bikewa Winter Cycling Jacket is positioned as a feature-rich option at $43.59, emphasizing a 3-layer fabric approach: windproof exterior, breathable membrane film, and a soft, warm fleece interior. It also highlights a robust pocketing system, 8 pockets total, and water resistance with a DWR outer finish, along with reflective elements for visibility. This jacket aims to be a one-stop solution for winter riding and running, with a design that supports both daily commutes and longer cold weather sessions. In practice, the 3-layer construction can deliver reliable warmth while maintaining airflow through underarm zips to prevent overheating during climbs or faster rides. The 8-pocket configuration is particularly appealing for riders who carry gear, electronics, and nutrition on longer rides or commutes, though it may add bulk and weight to the jacket. The high collar and silicone waist grips provide additional wind protection at the torso, while reflective branding improves visibility in low-light conditions. The waterproofing approach, combined with windproofing, makes it more versatile for mixed winter conditions, but performance in heavy rain or prolonged exposure to moisture would benefit from a tested waterproof rating, e.g. 10K by 10K. Product number 3. Przewalski Cycling Bike Jackets for Men, Winter Thermal Running Jacket, Windproof, Breathable, Reflective, Softshell Windbreaker. The Przewalski Winter Thermal Softshell Jacket is a purpose-built winter option focusing on windproofing and breathable softshell performance. Priced at $39.99, it sits among the mid to upper tier choices, offering a balanced approach to warmth, wind protection, and mobility. The jacket centers on softshell durability and a streamlined silhouette designed for daily commuting and casual winter rides with reflective elements and a practical feature set. Performance-wise, this jacket should excel in cool, dry to light rain conditions, delivering wind resistance and enough warmth for early morning rides. Breathability is a key factor for ongoing rides where temperature control matters, and the jacket's softshell fabric typically reduces overheating during extended efforts. The reflective details enhance visibility in low-light windows, an important safety feature for winter cyclists. However, explicit waterproofing ratings or impermeability levels are not clearly stated, so prolonged rain or heavy wet snow could compromise dryness. The fit likely suits riders seeking a versatile, everyday winter layer without the bulk of heavy insulation.
Product number 4. ARSUXO Winter Cycling Jacket for Men Soft Shell Fleece Mountain Bike Biking Bicycle Jacket Thermal Windbreaker. This ARSUXO Soft Shell Fleece Windbreaker is a versatile winter option featuring a fleece-lined interior for added warmth and a windproof exterior. Priced at $41.99, it targets riders who want a snug fit with effective wind protection and a comfortable fleece touch. The combination suggests strong warmth retention with the flexibility to layer for colder days, and the softshell construction aids mobility during climbs and sprints alike. From a performance standpoint, the fleece inner layer enhances warmth without sacrificing breathability, making it suitable for commutes and recreational rides in cold, dry to mildly damp conditions. The windproof outer layer reduces heat loss on exposed sections of road or trails, while the overall build should fit well under a larger shell in harsher weather. As with many soft shells, breathability is contingent on exertional level. High output efforts may require pit zips or venting features to prevent overheating. The jacket's style and reflective details are well suited for urban riders who want both safety and comfort.
Product number 5. InBike Men's Cycling Jacket. InBike offers a budget-friendly winter fleece thermal windproof soft shell at $31.99, aiming to deliver essential warmth and wind protection with a simple, streamlined design. The focus here is value, a jacket that keeps you warm and dry enough for typical urban winter rides and light conditioning sessions, without premium features or bulky build. In practice, this jacket should perform well for daily commuting, school runs, or casual weekend rides when temperatures dip but precipitation is not extreme. The lower fleece lining provides comfort against the chill, while the windproof exterior helps reduce wind chill on exposed sections. However, the lower price may come with trade-offs such as reduced durability, less robust waterproofing, and a leaner pocketing layout. For riders on a tight budget or those who ride in relatively mild winter climates, this jacket offers reliable baseline performance with the option to upgrade later as needs evolve.